Hey, Big M team. This is Misha, Director of Operations. Hey, we're kicking off something brand new, the Route 95. We've built a great reputation and legacy around our great service. It's time to take it up a notch. Route 95 recognizes the drivers who are hitting 95% service and above. Each week, we will pull a list from the prior week to see who hits the 95% or better on service scores. If you hit or excelled that mark, you'll become one of our Route 95 riders. From that group of top performers, we'll draw one lucky driver every week to win the exclusive Route 95 hat. Let's get out there and deliver the service that Big M is known for. The best ride in Route 95. Remember, service is king. Roll on and be safe out there.